So you're serious about making professional videos with your smartphone, but are not sure what gear to get. As a content creator focused on mobile filmmaking, I know that having the right tools is crucial for good video quality. What if I told you there's a complete mobile video kit that has everything you need to get started and create professional looking videos? This right here is SmallRig's all-in-one mobile video kit co-designed by Brandon Lee. And this kit can turn your smartphone into a pro camera and take your videos to the next level. In this video, we'll explore this versatile mobile video kit and show you how it can help you make your mobile videos look more professional. When SmallRig contacted me for a sponsored video, I was excited to try their all-in-one mobile video kit. I always look for new tools and gear to make content creation easier. I've used many SmallRig products and have always been impressed with their quality. They are well known for producing high quality and affordable camera accessories. When I heard they created a new mobile video kit in collaboration with renowned filmmaker Brandon Lee, I got even more excited to try it out. And Brandon Lee recently made a fantastic short film with it, and I'll share the link if you haven't seen it yet. All right, so let's dive into the video kit and see what it offers. And by the way, I'll be using the iPhone 15 Pro Max with the kit. So here's a quick look at what's in the box. You get a universal phone cage with a MagSafe magnetic attachment and clamp, a 67mm magnetic filter adapter, a 67mm variable ND filter 1 to 5 stops, 2 rotatable side handles with an M2 SSD enclosure, a wireless controller, a 4-in-1 dock station with USB-C, 100-watt power delivery, USB-C 3.1, and USB-C 2.0, an Arca Swiss quick release adapter, a power bank holder, a multifunctional data cable, 3 anti-glare magnetic plates, and a handy carrying bag. So let's check out the features as it's full of helpful tools and see how they can make your mobile videos look more professional. By the way, I'll also leave links to all products mentioned in the video description below. So the all-in-one mobile video kit really grabs my attention with its sleek look. It feels nice to hold and has a solid build. It's also made out of high-quality material, including aluminum alloy. The entire kit weighs 910 grams, making it easy to use when filming handheld for longer periods. When you bring this kit to a shoot, people will definitely think you know what you're doing, as opposed to just showing up with your phone. I feel like this really makes a professional impression. What do you think, sweetie? Do I look sexy in it?
No.
No? Okay. The main advantage of a mobile rig over a cage is that it can hold various sizes of mobile phones. This rig in particular fits phones that are 57mm to 85mm wide and can even accommodate phones with cases. Plus, if you decide to get a new phone model, you won't have to worry about compatibility problems and can save money by using the same rig. This rig has a MagSafe magnetic attachment for easy mounting, but I like using the clamp for better stability and security. Mounting is really simple. I just open the clamp, it locks into place, then place my phone in it, and then press the button on the side to secure it. It holds the phone very well. The rig has 16 1/4 20-threaded holes and 5 cold shoe mounts. And this allows you to easily attach accessories like light or microphone for your filmmaking needs. Now, one of the best features is this grip right here, which has improved from the previous version. It's by far the most well-designed grip I've ever seen. The grip is definitely one of their bigger ones, which I really like because it provides a comfortable and secure hold while filming. I really like how easy it is to attach to the rig. It only takes a second. Additionally, the cage has 6 quick release mounts for filming in horizontal, vertical, and top handle position. The handle can smoothly rotate 360 degrees, giving you different filming angles. It also makes switching to the top handle position fast and easy. Now, you do need to apply pressure for the handle to turn, which is a good thing because it helps prevent the rig from tipping over when adding heavier accessories. The best part is you don't need to unscrew anything to change the handle's position. Just press a button and it locks into place. The handle also includes a wireless remote control compatible with iOS and Android. The remote control has a Bluetooth shutter button to start and stop recording. Once connected, the next time you want to connect, press and hold the shutter button and it will instantly link to your phone. No need to manually go into the Bluetooth settings. You can use the remote control to operate the camera from up to 10 meters away, which is great for filming yourself. Another helpful feature is the extra focus and zoom controls. However, this did not work with the default camera app, Blackmagic Camera app, or Filmic Pro. This might be a feature for Android users, but I haven't tested it out. Now, what's really cool is that this grip has a hidden space for an M2 SSD that connects via USB-C. Remember, you'll need to buy the SSD separately. Now, I contacted SmallRig because I couldn't get it to work with their compatible drives they've mentioned on their website. They did then send me their hard drive test report for recording and playing ProRes 4K 60 frames per second videos on mobile phones without extra power needed. So quick update, I actually got it to work this time, which I'm super happy because this is a real game changer for me. So right here I have the SSD 980. That is the brand that I'm using. And this time I used a Thunderbolt 4 cable, just connected to the USB hub 3.1 port. And I have it also connected to a power bank, but you actually can also run it without the power bank. It works as well. And over here you can see that it detected the drive SSD 980 1 terabyte. So the problem is I used the wrong cable. I used either the multifunctional cable provided by SmallRig or a different 10 gigabit cable, but that didn't work for some reason. So the Thunderbolt 4 works great. And what I also did is I formatted the SSD to exFAT. You can try and see if the drive works without formatting. If not, try formatting it. And I've also tested it with my iPhone 16 Pro Max. I was able to record 4K 120 frames per second ProRes log externally. Now I'm really happy this worked because for professional shoots, I shoot always in ProRes log. This gives me the highest quality possible, and also I can store everything in one place. And instead of using the bulky SSD drive, I now have the M2 enclosure that keeps it compact and also protects the drive. So pretty cool. If you guys have any questions regarding setting up the drive, let me know in the comments below. So moving on, you have the adjustable 76mm magnetic filter attachment. The filter plate can also be removed if needed. Also included are the 3 anti-glare magnetic plates. There's one version for the iPhone, one for Android, and other for another smartphone. And the magnetic plates attach to the back of your phone, creating a smooth fit and reduced glare in your videos. Glare can occur when sunlight shines through a gap between the VND and the lens. The large 67mm magnetic VND 1 to 5 stop easily clips onto the front of the filter holder and stays in place. It's convenient because you can quickly take it off when changing filters. Plus, it's big enough to fit all 3 lenses, and you won't notice any vignetting when using the ultra-wide angle lens on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you're unfamiliar, a VND filter helps control the exposure and allows you to achieve a natural motion blur, making them look more cinematic. At the core is the 4-in-1 USB hub, which lets you connect devices like a microphone, SSD, and a power bank. It's fantastic that SmallRig includes this because finding a compatible hub is not always easy. And this piece easily slides into the cold shoe mount, so you don't need extra tools or attachments. Next, you have the Arca Swiss quick release adapter, which attaches the rig to a tripod. It features a 1/4 20 hole at the bottom and allows easy removal thanks to its quick release mechanism. And this makes switching to handheld mode simple and quick. It also comes with a power bank holder, which is handy since the smartphone will power the SSD, and using a professional video app can quickly drain the battery. And this will help you shoot for longer. I'm using a 5000 milliamp power bank from Anker. For high-quality audio, SmallRig just launched the S60 wireless microphone. And this convenient charging case has everything you need. Inside, you'll find 2 small transmitters and a receiver that easily connects to your phone or USB-C hub. The receiver gets power from your phone, so no batteries are needed. Just plug and play. You have a transmission range of up to 300 meters, which is impressive for such a small wireless microphone. The battery of the transmitter lasts 11 hours on its own, and the charging case extends the runtime to almost 45 hours. You can check the case's battery life shown by the 3 LED lights at the front. For mounting, you can use the magnet to attach it to your shirt, and because it's so light, it won't weigh the shirt down. Its small size means it won't draw much attention either. Another helpful option is the clip, which you can use to attach to your hat, my preferred choice. If you want to wear it as a necklace, the included magnetic necklace mount makes that easy too. In windy conditions, you can add their handy windscreen to the transmitter to eliminate wind noise. So we're now testing out the wireless mic, the V60, using the iPhone 16 Pro Max that I got yesterday with the Blackmagic camera app and the all-in-one mobile kit, and it works really great. I'm recording 4K 25 frames per second 422 LT externally onto my M2 drive, and I also have a power bank connected to power everything. And I also like that I can use a case with my iPhone 15 Pro Max on this mobile video kit. So I'm recording this outdoors, so you will hear a little bit of wind noise and people in the background. So let's test out the noise canceling feature. By pressing a button, it will turn green, and this means noise canceling is now enabled, and this is what it sounds like. My voice should definitely be more present and the background noise removed. Let's now disable it, and now it turns blue. This means that noise canceling is off. So let's check out some handheld shots I captured with the rig, including behind the scenes footage, so you can see how it performs. Now, a huge thanks to Sven for his help with this video. He filmed the behind the scenes and was in front of the camera during the rig testing. You're awesome, man. Thank you so much. And from the results, I think it came out great, and the user experience has been fantastic for me. I like being able to adjust the handle to get the right shot. For $239.99, you get a complete, easy-to-use, well-made mobile filmmaking kit. If you also want the S60 wireless mic, it costs $89.99 separately. So after using the all-in-one mobile video kit for a while, I can confidently say it's a great option for anyone wanting to create professional quality videos, whether for commercials, interviews, or social media, without spending a lot. I appreciate how every year SmallRig keeps improving their products, listens to their users, and tries to make the filmmaking experience better and more accessible to everyone. The all-in-one mobile video kit is really a great example of that, and I can't wait to see what they come up with next. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this rig. Is it the dream setup you've been looking for, or is something missing? If you haven't watched my other video on the SmallRig Brandon Lee mobile video kit for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, be sure to check it out right here. Until then, see you the next time.